Hey! Welcome to today's episode of building a composite deck. Today we're going to build a composite deck, believe it or not, out of a product called Ekodeck, which we get supplied here in Australia. So we start off by doing a set out, and here we're getting our heights and levels right to where we want them. We use a string line to get our 90-degree corner and our straight lines. We want straight edges and 90-degree corners and make sure everything's parallel to the building so that the deck is as nice and schmick as we can get it. For this deck we're just using radiata pine that's been treated for the bearers and the joists, the subframe of this deck. So we're using 190 by 45 timber for the bearer here, and I believe we use 140 by 45 for the joists. Typically, for a deck that's so low to the ground, I try to aim for my holes to be dug at 600 to 900 mil in depth, and I always make sure there's a few hundred mil of concrete below the bottom of the stirrup. We're using bolts that are designed to go into masonry for the wailing plate against the building. We use brands like Ramset or Dynabolt to get this product. And as you can see in the next clip, there are plenty of bolts in there. It's not going anywhere in a hurry. And it might look like we're trying to dig trenches here, but what we're doing is where the bearer is going to go, we're just digging out underneath it to make sure that it's got 50 mil of airflow between the bottom of the bearer and the top of the soil. What's the black stuff, you might ask? Well, that is a tar bitumen membrane, which we put on to help prevent water from penetrating the timber. And so in the future there may be pavers or stones or bricks or something hard up against the deck. And so water might just sit there, but by putting this black membrane on, it helps prevent that water from rotting out the timber. Here we're just laying out a weed mat and putting some crusher dust on top of it and staking it with some pegs just to prevent seeds or weeds, grass or any kind of plant from growing beneath the deck and potentially growing between the gaps of the deck. prevent water penetration.
#1 rule.
That's right. Ekodeck make this product, which I believe is called the KlevaKlip System. It's for those of us that don't want to see exposed screws in our deck. And so we have to run these KlevaKlips in line parallel to the building, and we have to run it to chalk lines and make sure everything's straight, and it's a little bit of a tedious process, but it makes putting the actual boards down, installing the boards, such a quick and easy process. Very satisfying. If you have any questions regarding the methods of building this deck or the products that we're using to build it, please drop a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. I'd also love to hear what you guys think of this product, the composite decking. I've done a few of these decks lately, and look, I'm a man of timber. I prefer timber. I love working with wood. I love the look of timber. I know these are nice. You don't have to oil them or whatnot, but I personally prefer timber. I'd love to know what you guys think, so leave a comment in the comment section below. We finished the deck off by putting a nice border piece around it. This is a really smart way of finishing off your deck and giving it that final finished look. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, that really helps me out. And if you'd like to see more videos of this nature, please subscribe to my channel, where I'll be posting construction related content on a regular basis.